I am Bhumi Durgani from grade 9A. I am the student of St. Paul School, Jhinjari, Katni. And today I am standing before you to present an elocution on the topic importance of discipline in a student's life. But before going ahead, I would like to extend a warm welcome for every person. And thank you all for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts on importance of discipline in a student. So basically, discipline is a word we hear in our daily life, but many times we fail to understand its importance. In simple terms, discipline is the set of rules and regulations and abiding by the time to complete the task allotted. In kindergarten, every stage demands discipline, but we often see that students view the discipline as restrictions rather than a lesson to learn. Sometimes we see that few students always delay in their work, they came late to school, never complete their work because they are busy in other fun and frolic activities. This shows a lack of focus and indiscipline. But it doesn't necessarily mean that child will not lead to success. But yes, if this attitude will not change, then the path of a success will be a rocky road. Now, before continuing the topic, I am remembering a very beautiful quote. That is, discipline is a bridge between our goals and accomplishment. Good discipline also creates positivity in students. This is the most essential thing in a student's life. Discipline also creates confidence and eagerness in students. Because of these things, students become more active in each of their field. And if you are thinking that imposing some penalties on the student is the solution, then my dear friend, you are wrong. Imposing some penalties cannot bring the result. You rather need to make aware of the students. You have to play the willful acceptance game. And in life, everything is important, but discipline should go hand in hand. And at last, I just want to conclude by saying these lines that discipline is the refining fire by which talent becomes ability. Thank you so much all. Have a great day.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today Janvi Pateria from class 8th is going to give a speech on the topic Importance of Discipline in a Student's Life. Discipline is a word with a wide meaning. It means following the rules. Discipline is not a binding, but it is going to give us complete freedom while following the rules. Just as we need food, water and air to survive, similarly, we need discipline to live a balanced life. Without discipline, a person can neither progress in the right direction in his life, nor can he achieve the goals set for himself. Especially if we talk about student life, then it is the basis of whole life. And if we are not able to learn discipline in student life, then discipline does not come in our whole life and we have to face lots of problems everywhere. So it is clear that only a disciplined person can achieve true success and his goals in his life, and the student life is the best time to prepare for it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dipali Sahu from class 9th St. Paul School, Jhinjari. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on importance of discipline in students' life. In simple words, discipline means following certain rules and regulations. Discipline in student life is very necessary. We cannot even imagine a successful student who does not follow discipline in his life. In the very early stage of life, when a student gets admitted in the kindergarten, he or she is taught discipline. From that stage, he is taught to be a disciplined human being so that he can be able to get success in his life. We know that time is the money for a student. A student can't perform well if he or she is not disciplined. The success of student depends on how he or she make proper use of time. So by this we can say discipline plays a vital role in every phase of our life. An indisciplined life is like a ship without rudder. Discipline is strictly observed in any team of sports. A team can't perform well without discipline. Sometimes in sport, a team with so many renowned and experienced players loses the game due to lack of discipline. In the similar way, a good student may not cover his syllabus on time on a stipulated period of time if he or she does not follow discipline. So it can be concluded that discipline is a part or a parcel for a student to get success in his life. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Khushbu Vishkarma. I study in class 9th in St. Paul's School, Jhinjri. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic Importance of Discipline in a Student's Life. Discipline is one of the most important things in the life of a student, which leads him or her to the way of success. The reason behind setting up rules and regulation in school is to teach students about what is discipline and how important discipline is. It is very important to know the value of discipline in our lives. As a student, discipline acts as a driving principle which safeguards us from going on a wrong path. In our food habits, it safeguards us from various diseases and help us to live a longer and healthier life. Parents and family members perform an important role in developing the sense of discipline in child. If in India, the people of India will follow the discipline strictly, nobody could stop us from becoming the most powerful country of the world. Discipline always brings success, whereas indiscipline brings a set of new problems and issues in our life. Discipline is very important in everybody's life, no matter we are kids, young or old. It is equally important in everybody's life. Discipline increases our good habits, which increases our personality. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Alankriti Khare and I am of class 8P, and today I am going to tell you about that how discipline is important in a student life. So let's begin. Discipline is a very important thing in a human's life, but it is as well as important in a student's life also. How? Let me tell you. Discipline is a very important thing that every student must follow. Discipline helps a student to do everything on time, to sleep on time, to do homework on time, to do study on time, everything on time. And if a student is doing everything on discipline only, on time only, then he or she will definitely be stress free, and discipline helps him or her not to fall in depression. So by discipline only, student can prevent themselves from being fallen into depression also, and they can help themselves to just follow everything on time also. Discipline helps to mold a student's character. Discipline helps every human being to mold his or her character, and in student, discipline is most helpful in just molding his or her character. This makes a student a very good student and a very disciplined student, very systematic student. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Nandini Dubey from class 9th B, and I am going to speak today on the topic Discipline is more important in the student's life. Discipline is very important to have success in life. It means following up some set of rules and regulations and keeping pace with time. A disciplined life is a key to have success at every stage of life. It be a student or it be an adult stage. Self-discipline is more important than the imposed discipline. At school, teachers with principal and with their management staff is responsible for maintaining discipline. And at home, parents and guardians see whether the child is in disciplined manner or not. Discipline in students' life acts as the building blocks of success. Discipline helps us to present ourselves in front of others in a respectable manner. Indiscipline is not always the mistake at the part of student's life, but also the part of an organized family. Every successful person lives a disciplined life, and discipline is the basis of the whole universe. Thank you.
Kanjali Chha from class 8A going to say few lines on importance of discipline in students' life. Discipline is the one of the most significant personality traits in one's individual life. Discipline is the way of being honest, hardworking, motivated and encouraged throughout the life. This character is very important in one's life as it helps to maintain behavior. Saints and monks who meditate also first practice the art of discipline. A disciplined person first has wellness in his life. Discipline is the bridge between goal and accomplishment. Hence, it is the key to success. Discipline establishes a good basis of being selective, independent, punctual, focused, encouraged, and stay organized in life. Similarly, discipline is very important in students' life. Discipline in student life attracts all the right things, and because of this, students gain success in each field of their life. In a student's life, the discipline is always catered as a guide to focus on their goals. A disciplined student focuses on their goals, and their mind does not wander about other useless things. A disciplined child has a positive attitude in life. A well-disciplined student is focused. Discipline teaches students be concentrated and motivated towards their studies as well as other areas in their lives. Someone with strong goals is more focused and always keep his job on time in daily life. It helps the student to remain calm, composed. This helps him or her to maintain the focus and keep moving with their problems. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Naina Tirthani from class 9th B. Today, I'm here to tell you the importance of discipline in a student's life. Discipline is one of the most important thing in a student's life. It is crucial to follow the discipline in a school. Along with education, a student must learn the discipline in school. Without discipline, a student can't be well educated. Discipline in student life attract all the right things, and because of this, a student gains success in their life. Manage time. If a student follow the discipline in a better way, then they can manage time significantly. Stay active. Good discipline generates positive attitude in students, which is the most essential thing that a student need. Self-control. If the students are disciplined, so they have more self-control. Relieve stress. When the students stay active and stay in discipline, it becomes easier for them to stay in control of their studies and other important things. When the students do not stay in discipline, they become careless, getting better grades. If the students stay in discipline, they perform well in class, which help them to get good grades. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Prachi Wadhwani, student of class 9th session A. I am here to take part in allocation competition, which theme is discipline in students' life. Discipline. This word comes from a Latin word disciple, which means to follow or admire, in which discipline means to follow an order. The discipline plays an important role in students' life. If he or she don't make discipline, he or she cannot achieve their goals in their life. As discipline means to manage their time, to do their work on time and do everything on time. And the students which follow discipline can achieve their goals. Even nature also follows discipline. Thank you.
It is rightly said that life without discipline is just like a ship without a radar. Greetings of the day, everyone. This is Palak Gumasta from class 8A St. Paul School, Ginjri. Today, I am here to deliver a short speech based on the topic discipline. Discipline is the word that implies great meaning in everyone's life. It is a set of standard rules that are set up by any individual. It is a way of being honest, hardworking, and even motivated. Discipline is a behavior, an important character which is crucial for expressing many other attributes in life. We all know that students are future axis of nation. Discipline lays a good foundation of being selective, independent, punctual, focused, encouraged, and organized in life. Self-discipline is very important for our headlong desires and passion. A disciplined child takes interest in studies. He or she can choose a subject or even their career more effortlessly independently. So, let me tell you again, life without discipline is just like a ship without a radar. So, be focused, be disciplined, and thank you.